Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by equipping a proper rod and bait because these govern your catch chance and durability. Walk to a clear shoreline or dock and face water. Once there, open the fishing menu and select bait. Make sure you carry spare line and a container for fish. They weigh inventory. Don't waste time. Cast promptly to an empty spot. This first step sets your success rate and limits early losses, so pick a calm bank and steady footing before you cast. Once done casting, focus on the bobber and audio cues because those tell you when a fish is interested. You should reel in short bursts to avoid snapping line. When the tension meter rises, pause to reduce strain and prevent breakage. Make sure to shift aim toward deeper or shaded spots if bites are scarce, since different fish prefer cover. If you have fishing-related perks, apply them now to increase bite rate and reduce failure. Keep your hand. You finish by reeling steadily and using the landing action to secure the fish. When close, pull gently to prevent loss. Next, clean or fillet the catch for preserving and cook over fire for full benefits. Cold storage extends freshness. If you get repeated snags or no bites, move along the shore, change bait, or cut the line to free your tackle. Occasionally repair or swap rods when durability is low. This troubleshooting keeps you productive and protects your gear for future trips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.